In this video today, I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up your Stripe for your personal account or for your business. So if you don't know what Stripe is a payment system that allows you to safely accept payments from your customer such as credit and debit card or even Afterpay. So that's just to really name a few, right? A great platform, very easy to use, and I'll be showing you step by step how you can open your account. So with that said, let's head over to the laptop for a quick tutorial. So to get started, you want to go to stripe.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're there, specify the email address that you want to sign up the account with, your first name, and the country that you are registering from. Now please keep in mind that there are just a few countries that are supported by Stripe, and if you look in the drop down list, you'll see the list of countries that are supported, right? Now if you're in a country where you would like to use Stripe, I would recommend that you register an LLC in the United States with a registered agent, and then you can use that company to open your account with Stripe. So that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video. So you're going to specify your email address, your full name. Here I'm using my company's name, the countries that your company is registered in, and here I'm using my password. And then you specify your password. Then select create account. So here I'm using LastPass to store my password. So I'm going to add password to my LastPass vault. Now I need to check my email address to verify my address. So I'm just going to launch Outlook. So this is my confirmation email. So I'm going to select confirm email. And once you have confirmed your email, I have the option to activate payments, right? It's a little bit different. Let me step back a little bit and show you why. Let me cancel payments. So if you're signed in without activating your email, then you'll be landed on this page, right? Now in order to activate your account and complete the registration, select continue. So here you're going to specify your business location and your business type. So I'm going to say company. Select your business structure. I'm going to say multi-member LLC. I'm going to select continue. Here you're going to specify your business legal name, specify your EIN, the doing business as is optional, and you're going to specify your United States address. So you're going to specify your industry which you're in, specify your business website, and a product description. So I'm just going to go to my website here, and I'm just going to grab this description from my website. So I just pasted it in the product description. So in your case, if you're opening a personal account, then it will be asking for a social security number and not EIN, right? So I'm just going to scroll down and select continue. So on this page, you're going to verify you represent this business. So you're going to fill out your personal information here. And then once you do that, select continue. So if you do a partnership and the partner owns more than 25%, right? Then you'll need to add their information here. However, I'm going to select continue with no owners. So here you're going to describe how you fulfill your orders. On average, how long after paying will the customer typically receive their goods? So let's say within 2 weeks, then select continue. So here you're going to add some public details for your company. Now this is the information that will be displayed unlike your credit card statement. For the shortened descriptor, you can add additional information. So I'm going to say coaching, right? This is optional. Here you're going to specify the contact number for your business, and for customer support address, you can keep this as your business address, right? Now here I'm going to select continue. Now here's where you're going to add your banking information. So if you're not seeing your bank, you can enter banking details manually. So here you're going to specify the routing number, accounting number, and then you confirm the accounting number. Once you have entered your banking details, select save. So my bank account details has been successfully added. Now the next step is to select continue. So now you need to keep your account safe. So for this, I'm going to use an authenticator app. So I'm going to select this authenticator. So from the Play Store or App Store, you can download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm using Google, so I'm just gonna scan the code from within the app. Now once you have scanned this QR code within the app, you will see a number generated. So let's select continue, and this is where you'll be specifying the random number. Each time this number will change. So once you have downloaded and saved this code, make sure you save it in a secure place, right? So once you have done that, select I have saved my backup code. Now select done. Then select continue. Automated sales tax calculation. So you're going to select your product category from the drop down. I'm going to select consulting services and then select continue. On this page, they're asking you for you to show your customers your climate commitment. So here I'm going to select no thanks. Now just review and then finish your information. So once you've reviewed your information and everything looks good, then select submit. So our registration has been completed successfully. Your information is in review. Thank you for your response. We'll contact you if we need additional information. So basically they will contact you if they need additional information when they are reviewing your documents. So the next step would be to choose the option on how you want to collect your payments. So if you want to see additional tutorials, please comment the tutorial that you want to see in the description of this video. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.